Okay, guys, so for today, well, first off, let me say hi, I'm Kathy, and you're watching Kathy at Home. But today, we are going to take one of my thrift finds that I got at for about, I think it was maybe $13.99, $12.99, something like that. It's a little stool that I got for my bathroom. It's a little vanity stool. And I've been looking online and I really didn't want to pay a whole lot for one, but I needed a better one because the one I was using was kind of wanky. So what we're going to do is we're going to recover that. It's got a dirty old cover fabric on it. I bought some new fabric. We're going to go through the process of recovering, and we're going to have a nice little stool for me to sit on when I do my hair and my makeup. So welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. So let's get started on this little project. This is a little vanity stool that I picked up at Goodwill. I think I paid about $13, $14 for it. It's not bad, but the camera's not really picking up on it. There's a few little discolorations on the upholstery, so we're gonna recover it. Found this really pretty toile fabric on Amazon. I bought 2 yards, but I think I'm only gonna need one. And it was just like a little over $5 a yard, which I thought wasn't bad. It's some kind of like duck cloth, so it's should be pretty heavy duty. So let's recover this and make it pretty. So the first step is going to be to take apart this stool. So I've got to unscrew the main part from the cushion and then take the fabric off and then get the staples out. So let's start working on that. This was stapled on to stay. So it took me a little time. I had to wrestle with this for a while to get the fabric off, and then I had to go back and pull each little staple out, and they did not want to come out of there, I'm telling you. Recovering something like this, whether it's dining room chairs or a stool, it really is a really quick fix. It's very satisfying to get the old yucky fabric off and recover it with something pretty. So go out there, and as long as you've got an upholstery level staple gun, and they don't cost very much, that's really all you need. And it's very satisfying to get things recovered. Okay, so now watch me as I struggle to get these staples out. They wore me out. Okay, taking that fabric off, getting all those staples off, that was a job. So now what I'm going to do is this. I am going to take my fabric and I'm going to lay it out, and I'm going to make it easy on myself, and I'm going to put this old fabric on top and cut a piece that's exactly the same. So then I don't have all this extra fabric, hopefully, when I get finished. So let's do that next. I am loving this fabric. It is really pretty and it looks really sturdy and nice. So I'm so excited to get this on the stool. I did trim off this little white edge on the one side. You wouldn't have to do that, but I just looked a little cleaner to me if I did that. So that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, so now I've got my fabric cut. Thanks to the old fabric, I had a little pattern. So I always, when I recover something, I usually try to put way too much fabric on it to begin with. And then I have to struggle and try to, fold it and staple it, and it's a mess. So I'm hoping this will work out perfectly. Now we're going to use my staple gun. And this is just a little inexpensive one, but it says it's heavy duty, so we'll see how this works. And we're going to attach this, and then all we have to do is screw it back on the base, and we'll have a brand new, almost new, cheaply thrifted from Goodwill vanity stool. So here we go. Okay, so here's before, and here is after. Let's take a look. And by the way, this is Waverly fabric, but it was really inexpensive. It was just a little bit over $5 a yard, which to me, the way that fabric is now, that's not bad. All right, let's see how it looks in the bathroom. All right, so here's our finished product in the bathroom. And I like to sit down and do my hair and makeup. I had a little wobbly, it was really like a little ottoman that I had got real cheap at TJ Maxx. And it was just you had to be very gentle sitting down on it. And so this is really nice and sturdy. It just needed a little extra love. Thank you so much for joining me for my little project here, and I hope it gives you some inspiration to do some little detailed things at your house. Take care, and I'm sending you big hugs as always, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye-bye, y'all.